Today we are going to discuss your lab program, first lab program, that is simple calculator using JavaScript. So this is our accepted output when you perform. So if you add addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, these are the four functions we are going to use perform in the simple calculation using JavaScript. So this is the accepted output. So we'll go to the code, how it will be working. So for writing the our program, we are using doctype HTML. HTML we are written. Inside the HTML we are written calculator using JavaScript. As we already know that we are using the title, so it will appear at the web. As we see in our output, it is written. So as I given the file name demo, so you can see calculator using JavaScript. So whatever the title we are given, that is appeared here. Next, as for the code, the next line we written h1 tag. H1 tag we are using style text align center. So the alignment for the text, whatever we written simple calculator using JavaScript, that should be appear center of the web page. As we have taken color for that is brown. So now I will change also. I will change the color to make it blue. So I will save it and I will run it. So you can change the color also. So the as h1 tag, whatever we have written h1 tag, that is for simple calculator using Java. The first line of the web page you are written. Next, as I want table. Why we are going to create a table? As we can see the output. In our output, there are we are going to perform the table. As it is not the content comes here, number one, enter, these are called inbox. So to perform the operation, we are using table. The operations are, as you can see, enter, we have created table, enter first number. As you can see, enter first number. So this particular information we are written with the tag table. So first we are written with the tag th. Th is nothing but if you are using the tr tag means table row, first row. First row we have taken one more tag th, table heading, or the information will be appear in a bold. So we will write enter first number. So the table content with the heading enter first number will be displayed. And then we are using the forms, HTML forms. Why we are using the HTML? Whatever we will type, that should be appear. So we have taken TD, table data. So it means whatever the data is there, heading is enter first number. Afterwards we will write input type number, name number one, ID number one. You have to remember type is number, name is num1, ID is num1. So number is nothing but I will go to the output. So you can see whatever we are going to type here, that should be of number. It should accept the number. Same way we will take our enter second number. It is also given as number. So we are enter two numbers. So here type is same, but the name should not be same because whatever the value we are going to give, that is a num1 for the first value, num2 for the second value. So ID is given num2, num1. So user going to enter value. So suppose I entered here 10. So this is the num1 value. This is num2 value. Then as we entered, next we written th call span. Call span means it will merge it. Whatever the two rows we are using here, two columns, that is going to be merged. So what we are made, we have written the as we have written input type now, here we have taken button. So button content we have displayed 4 button, button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. So all the buttons are given with a number plus, minus, multiplication, division, as you can see in the output screen. So as you can see, plus, minus, multiplication, star. So these all four we call as a buttons. So as we are entering the number, we have taken input type number. For the button input type button we have taken. So you can see here. So we have taken input type button. So button name is that we call as a value. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. As you can see, if I click on the plus, so we are calling on function as we are written in C language like functions. Same way you can write in your Java script also we are written on click perform this value. Whatever the value is there, value this value means num1 and num2 value. Num1 and num2 value we have to perform functions, that is addition. As soon as I click, the cursor will move to function. So function, what is the name of the function? Perform. So same thing it is written here. You can see. So this value means number 1 and number 2 value. So which function we are using? Number 1. Variable we have taken in JavaScript. We have taken one variable with the n1. Variable is n2. So int. So whatever the entered value num1 means. So I will go to screen. So num1 value is 10 and num2 value is 10. So I can change 15 here. Num1 is 10, num2 is 15. So that num1 value is going to add in a variable n1, that is n1 is 10. Num2 value I change now is 15 is added to n2 variable. N1 is 10, n2 is 15. So next, where initially we made result equal to 0. Next, we are going to check if option is plus. So here it will go which type of value we are passing. This value is either plus, minus, multiplication. So if I use the button plus means the value, this value is as considered as a addition. So automatically user whichever clicks, it will perform function. So we have taken if the operator chosen by the user is addition, then we have taken result equal to n1 plus n2. If operator selected is minus, result equal to n1 minus n2. If operator equal to star, then result equal to n1 plus n1 star n2. Else, if operator is division, n1 by n2. So whatever the result is there, as we are using the if statement, else, only one statement is going to execute. Afterward, it comes from the statement. So after the result, whatever if addition is the user given, it will give document.get element by ID. So we have taken ID is res dot value. So res value is, so the result is a one. Again, it is a, we'll go to this particular portion, what the value we are given for the last column. So I will move to the upward side. So here after second row we are taken result, input type number, name equal to res, ID is also res. That's why we want to display the result, whichever the value we have taken, that value we want to display in this particular box. Whatever the value is there, 10 plus 15, suppose I written plus. So whatever the value is, 25 should be displayed on the results in. So we have to write document dot get element by ID. Whatever the ID we are given res for the result dot value equal to result. Whatever the result is there, that is assigned to the last result box. That value is there. Suppose 10 plus 15, 25 stored in the result variable, 25 stored in the result. That result I am going to assign in the last column, that is the name is given as result. In the table we have written result, that value is going to be assigned as 25 assigned to result. So difference is here we have taken number, we have taken the value, that value whatever the value is there, that is going to be adding purpose. Here num2 we have taken, that's why we'll write here n1 plus n2. The num2 value is to consider as n2, num1 value is considered as n1. That value is going to be taken here. Same way the result value we are going to be implemented. So in this way the first program is a calculation. So I will check all the result. So as 10 plus 15 we got 25, will make minus, means we got 10 minus 15 minus 5. If you take multiplication we got 10 15 is 150. If you take division, 10 divided by 15 you got 0.66. Suppose if you take 20 30, so you'll get clear idea. So we got 30 divided by 15, we got 2. In this way we are going to calculate your Java. This is your lab first program for the JavaScript as per your syllabus 17 CS 71 lab first program for the web technology lab. In this way you will execute your first program. For executing, just open your notepad, type entire information, save it, write it and save. And I saved the file to desktop with the name demo.html. Just click on the demo.html, automatically will get this type of result. So the location is, as I told you, desktop. In desktop I saved the file demo.html. So in this way you can execute your lab first program. If you want to show the table, just use border equal to 1. By default it is 0. If you take border equal to 1, if you run it, you'll get result in this way. It will appear as a border. Previously I made border equal to 0. Note down the program line by line. I'm going. You can easily refer it.
वीडियो स्टक हो रहा है सर.
Script.
वीडियो स्टक हुआ
सर
सर.
प्रोग्राम पेज ओपन ಆಗಲ್ರಿ.
You can note down it. I will send you program description in the link. You can also refer it. You can download from the description in the YouTube. See the description. A Word file will be there. You can download from it and you can practice.